Good evening, sir. I will be your nurse for tonight. I will be assessing you. First, sir, let me ask your name. What is your name?
Abraham, sir.
Abraham.
Sanchez.
Abraham Sanchez. Sir, what's yung birthday, sir?
March.
March. So now, sir, sa atong assessment is na mga certain questions na kung i-ask sa imo ha regarding sa imong current situation, sa imong family history, sa imong current health condition, sir. So now, let us start with the skin sa imong panit, sir. So first is, na ba kayo di pambati karon, sir, ng mga rashes, skin lesions sa imong panit, sir? Wala, no? So, na yung mga lumps, masses, kanang mga bugol-bugol sa imong panit, sir? Wala na po. Sa imong kuan, sir, sa imong buhok, sir, naka-experience ba ka o ka na alopecia, like maglagas ba ng buhok? Wala na po. Nail changes, sir, nausog ba yung imong kuko, naabay mga discoloration na hitabo? Wala na. So, sa mga past or previous nimo nga mga kuan, sir, naabay na hitabo sa imuha na nag-screen breakdown sa mga samad or mga tibugol-tibugol, na nurok sa imuhang panik?
Wala mo po, sir.
Wala ra. Like this year, wala?
Wala.
Sa imong kuan, sir, sa imong family history, sa imong pamilya, sir, naaba may ka ng certain direct relative na nagka-skin cancer?
Sa pamilya, sir?
Yes, sir.
Wala mo po.
Wala na po. Mga skin disorders sa imong family, sir, wala na po. Kuan, sir, kanang imong line of work, o sa man imong trabaho, sir, bulag ba kay ka sa adlaw?
Dili mo po kayo.
Dili na po. Regular ba ta nag-exercise? Na ba tayo ka na properly hydrated ba ta sa ito ang matag-adlaw? Okay. Good. Wala na ka na-expose ng mga chemicals, sir? Ng mga fumes, mga acids, or ganang any sort of chemicals na dapat sa imong pamanit, sir?
Wala po.
Wala na po. So karon, sir, mo proceed sa ato ang assessment. I will be starting with the skin. So sir, karon, sir, I will be starting with the ocular inspection of your skin. So sir, please raise your hand. The other side, sir. On this kind of inspection, preferences would be to use a magnifying glass to enhance the visual capacity of assessing the skin. So, upon our patient's observation, I have observed that there are no signs of lesions, skin breakdowns, discoloration, jaundice onto our patient. So now, I will be proceeding in palpating the patient's skin. Sir, with your consent. Sir, pwede ba nakabunitan ng inyong panit, sir?
Yes, sir.
So sir, please raise your hand. On this assessment, I will be using the 3 pads of my fingers. And I will run it down from this side to this side. Your hand, sir. Upon assessment to our patient, I have observed that there are no signs of skin lesions, masses, lumps, and any other changes in the skin. So now I will be proceeding in assessing the patient's temperature using my dorsal part of my hand. Sir, with your permission, I will be touching your head and your other parts of your body, sir. Please raise your hand, sir. Other side. Upon my assessment to my patient, I have observed that my patient's skin is warm to the touch, suggesting a healthy and good circulation of blood in his body. So now, I will be proceeding in testing the skin turgor of my patient. So sir, can you please raise your hand? Assessment to the turgor integrity of my patient, I have observed that my patient's skin is good in mobility. Regarding to the assessment of the elderly patients, elderly patients have much less mobility on the skin because of old age, and the skin is rather thin to the touch. So assessing the skin, the trigger of the patient of elderly people are required to do it in the sternum, because this part of the body is the skin is very elastic and mobile. So now I will proceeding in examining any signs of edema to our patient, and now I will palpate the parts that are high likely that edemas can occur. Sir, pwede na ito i-raise ito ang tiil or i-extend ito ang tiil. Other side, sir. Upon assessment to my patient, there are no signs of any sort of edema to my patient. My patient has a good rebound on his skin, and that is all for the skin assessment. Now, I will be proceeding in the hair assessment. So for this assessment, I will be using gloves. Sir, with all due respect, pwede ba na ako gunitan ng ulo, sir? On this assessment, I will be looking for any signs of skin breakdown, scaliness, infestation on my patient's head. Start po, sir, ha? So now I will be assessing my patient's nails. I will be looking for any other discoloration, disfigurement, any signs of skin breakdowns, of course, and good perfusion upon my patient's nails rather. Sir, can you please raise your hand so I can inspect your nails? So now I will be pinching my patient's nails. Sir, pwede mo na-answer ba? Yung mga nails? Upon assessment to my patient, I have observed that there are no other signs of discoloration, disfigurement, and any other sort of nail issues. And upon assessment, I have observed that there is good perfusion on my patient's nails, and it is well groomed. And of course, upon inspection, I have let my patient perform the clubbing inspection, which in return, I have observed that it is no signs of clubbing. So that is all for the skin, hair, and nails assessment.